Okay, hi again.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, minute done. You ready to go?
Ready as ever.
Go for it.
This past couple of days has been quite a whirlwind for our contestants. First we started off meeting Swiss extraordinaire hairstylist Reto. Then it was off to shopping, where all of us got extreme makeovers with our style gurus. We went off and got treated to lavish spas and back massages, followed by a less than glamorous for the guys makeup session.
You do have a fantastic sense of humor. I mean, I think my nickname for you is Prince Charming. Because you are very charming, but bring it across more in your link.
You're making me blush, and it's not just the makeup.
It's gotta come true tonight.